This morning is starting off fantastic. Yes, it's cloudy, but temperatures are around 70 degrees, but we are going to be seeing a little bit of break in that cloud cover as we get closer to about lunchtime. But then shortly after that, rain is projected to move back into the mid-state. Some of us that don't see rain still could be reaching about 87 for a high temperature later on today. That heavy rain is projected to start up later on this evening. I think just after sunset, you could see one or two thunderstorms like this one popping up across the area. And then by Saturday morning, that next round of rain will be moving on in. Now, this area could produce things like some strong wind along with heavy rain, and potentially some lightning and thunderstorms in there as well. Now, I don't think severe weather is going to be possible with this system. It's just going to be too early in the day. The instability needed for severe weather is not going to be there. And whenever you get to Saturday afternoon, those smaller pop-up showers are still going to be in place. So there is a chance of severe weather this weekend. I'm leaning much closer to Sunday, though. And the reason why is because that front is going to be in a perfect place for it to kind of stall up towards our north, bring us a little bit of sunshine in the first part of the day, then shift down towards the south, bringing us those severe weather chances. And I think that's going to be the case for everyone here in Middle Georgia. Strong wind and hail are our biggest things to watch out for, and heavy rain, yes, might occur, but remember, we're about 4 inches behind so far on the rain this year, so we do actually need some of that rain to come into the area. And whenever it comes to our severe threat level, I'm looking at a 2 out of 5 for Sunday, but that's going to be changing up quite a bit. The uncertainty on that day is very high, mainly because it's going to be highly dependent on the daytime heating. If we get enough sunlight early in the day and that temperature gets warm enough, our severe weather chances could increase. However, if we don't get a lot of sunlight and the temperature doesn't rise up that quickly, I don't think we're going to be seeing a ton of severe weather across the area, and many of us will be dropping down to a marginal chance. But at least as of right now, keep in mind, we're going to be at a 2 out of 5 because of that chance of strong wind and hail. I do think tornadoes can't be completely ruled on out, but they are going to be much, much less likely than those other two factors. And when it comes to the rain, for many of us out there, we're going to be ranging in between 1 and 2 inches in between today and Sunday. Like I mentioned before, that is needed because many of us are about 4 inches behind on that rainfall. And don't forget that Sunday is also Mother's Day, so if you are making plans, I think the early part of the day should be just fine to get outside if you're driving to church or trying to go out to brunch or anything like that. Should be easy. Afternoon, not so much. That's when the severe thunderstorm chances will begin to move in. And high temperatures, notice that, are also going to be dropping down quite a bit into the lower 80s. And we're going to be seeing that throughout most of next week. Whenever the rain clears on up, we're still going to be in the low 80s. But then next Thursday, Friday, all the way through Sunday, you're going to see temperatures rising up very quickly. And there's a chance we could return to the lower 90s by next Sunday. And now here's going to be a quick look at your fish and game forecast brought to you by Harrison's Body Shop. The best time for later today will be around 7:20.